Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm T Pendel. Subscribe, turn the notifications on. It's absolutely free. And smack that like button right now. If you are watching this video or it was recommended to you, 9 times out of 10 you going through a little something. But don't even worry about it because I'm here to help. Today is the top reasons why people get depressed and how to fix it. Reason number 1 why people get depressed is because they are in debt. They are in need of money. Shmoolah, cheddar, dinero. And in a society where there's so much emphasis put on money, hell, let's keep it real. People actually base how successful you are off of how much money you have. Everybody is securing the bag, in their bag, chasing the bag. Money, money, money. And I personally feel like it's not the fact that you don't have money or not having money causes people to be depressed. It's the fact of being in debt and not having a plan or a way to get out of debt. It feels like everything is adding up and you can barely keep your head above water. Every day is something new. It's almost like you're drowning in bills. Damn, T, how can I fix that? I'm gonna help y'all to the best of my ability, and it's not easy. Over 80% of the people in America are tied up and are in some kind of debt. That's crazy. I would highly advise y'all to cut them damn credit cards up and stop spending money you don't have. I remember when I got my first credit card in college, I was like, oh snap, I could just swipe this up and I could just pay it later. This about to be lit. Yeah, that shit was lit, alright. It took my ass about 5-10 years to pay that damn thing back. Just fees on top of fees on top. It's a damn trap. I would strongly suggest that y'all jump on some kind of financial peace university. A lot of people don't know how to save. A lot of people don't know how to budget. That type of stuff wasn't really taught to us in school. We get taught the pointless stuff that we're never gonna use in life. I would research other methods and ways to get out of debt because I really believe everybody's situation is different and what works for this person might not work for you. So if you really wanna get debt free and don't have that burden on your freaking head and heart and chest of owing people money all over the place and bills on top of bills on top of bills, you're definitely gonna have to do some research for yourself. You just gotta stop feeling sorry for yourself and don't be afraid to reach out to somebody and ask for help. And I know this is common sense, but I gotta say it. Do not reach out and ask for help from friends that are in debt and having money trouble also. Don't do that. Another top reason why people get depressed is because they don't like how they look. We are in a world where 82% of men and 73% of women, I believe, are considered obese. And let me say before I even get into this, I'm not fat shaming at all, but I do believe in taking care of yourself to give yourself the opportunity to have the longest and healthiest life possible. I'm not promoting being skinny as hell or fit as hell. I just want people to be happy, healthy, and enjoy life. Some people don't like the way they look. Some people never like the way they look. Some people are looking at old pictures of themselves from college or high school and thinking to themselves, damn, I miss looking like that. Hell, you can go to your Facebook right now and go back and scroll and look at the first couple pictures you uploaded and look at yourself now. And most people are gonna be like, damn. Some people have dealt with injuries, so they can't work out and physically do the things that they used to do to help them get in shape or to help them look the way they wanna look. And hell, for women, some of y'all even had a child or even had kids and you're like, damn, I wanna get my body back. And being on social media and Instagram doesn't help any of this. It's probably making you even more depressed just seeing fit people and models and people getting their body done and all of this stuff. It just looks so easy and it's just shoved in front of your face time and time again, and it gets the most likes and is promoted more than anything. We gotta go back a couple years, even to like the 90s or the early 2000s, to what looked good. Everybody was sexy in their own way. We had like the Aaliyah Jada Pinkett, we had the Halle Berry vibe, you had the Foxy Browns, you just had women of all different shapes, but they just were sexy because I guess their energy, their presence, their aura, it was just like, damn, she looks good because she carries a sense of confidence. Social media and all of these damn procedures and all of this stuff has people feeling hella insecure. You got the people that aren't happy with themselves that get that done and still don't end up happy with themselves. And then you got the people that see people getting that stuff done, like the way their body looks, and now they aren't happy with themselves. I'm a bit all over the place right now, but I just want to let y'all know if you're not happy with the way you look, you can always fix it yourself. You just gotta work hard. You can take that little tummy tea stuff, you can wear one of them little waist trainer joints. Those are all shortcuts. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? But it's ultimately not gonna get it done. You're gonna have to put in some other work. It's not gonna happen overnight. Like I said, you gotta work hard. You gotta invest in yourself. Hell, get a trainer. Buy one of them little Peloton joints. If you don't have time to go to the gym, you can just work from home. Find a way. If it was easy, everybody would be in shape. Everybody would look good. Everybody would be happy about how they look. And the world would just be a rainbow, beautiful place. Nothing in life is easy. Just like that career or job or anything you want, you just have to work for it. Some other great tips I would tell people is to track your progress. Know where you want to get. Take monthly or weekly pictures and see your improvement. When you can look at how you looked a month ago or 2 months ago and you see that improvement or you see results, that will motivate you to keep going. Breakups and failed relationships cause hella depression. A breakup could be stressful, lonely, and sad, and it's nothing like feeling like you're not enough. Your confidence is low, and it's nothing like realizing how much happiness somebody else brings you. Like, you don't even know what to do to make yourself happy no more because you were so dependent on that one person doing it for you. I honestly believe it's okay to feel upset, hurt, or even sad. It's a natural feeling. But the key part and what a lot of people miss out on, you have to have a turning point. You have to take all of that stuff that's upsetting you, that's anger, that's frustration, whether it's hurt, whether it's betrayal, whatever it is. You have to ball all that up and let that fuel you to become a greater person. You can be hurt for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But after that breakup, like, this is your time to work on a better you. So all them goals and things you wanted to accomplish that you might not have had time for because you were investing so much time into this relationship, this is the time to flip the switch and use your time wisely. Get on your grind. Work hard. Do whatever you need to do so the next time that person sees you, they can look at you and be like, damn, that person upgraded themselves. I'm gonna do a whole video soon on how to get over a breakup, but that's just a little something right there to deal with depression when dealing with a breakup or a failed relationship. You getting older. You're getting up there in age. You're getting a little bit older, older, scroller, toner. This one right here is my favorite one. A lot of people get depressed as they age and as they get older. We have literally been brainwashed by society. We have been told that we should have a career by a certain age, we should be married by a certain age, have a kid by a certain age, be homeowners by a certain age, and I personally think that's all trash. I firmly believe with age comes wisdom. That unnecessary stress and those societal norms have been pushed on us. They've been pushed on us, they've been pushed on our parents, they've been pushed on our parents' parents. I remember when I was at my college graduation, I thought it was real dope how they announced the youngest graduate and the oldest graduate. I think the youngest graduate when I graduated was like 15, like 14 or 15, and the oldest graduate was like 57. Now I didn't know either one of those people, but I just know that their story was different from mine. It just taught me that you're never too young or you're never too old. Like, it's never too late. You can do this any way you want to do it. It's your life. You can change your career at 40. You can find yourself at 50. Hell, you can start a business at 18, 20 years old. It's happening right now. And most of the time when people get discouraged or they feel like they can't do something, it's because of the people that they have around them. The wrong people are in their ear. Get those people about your life. You're getting depressed by your age because you're comparing yourself to other people's lives. You need to live your life. Once you start comparing your life to other people's life, you're no longer living your life. I've dealt and I still deal with this even in creating content. Like, in the comment section, people talk to me, and so for even my friends, like, yo, how much longer you think you're gonna be able to do YouTube? That's like me looking at them and them having a job and being like, hey, how much longer you think you're gonna be able to be a teacher or a firefighter or a construction worker? Like, I don't have a plan on like a retirement. Like, when you enjoy doing something, you don't even ever want to stop doing it. Like, I don't have a plan of an ending because I enjoy what I'm doing. People be ready to retire and ready to give it up and ready to sit at home and do absolutely nothing when they don't enjoy what they do. It's not their passion. Like, even creating content on my skit channel, I'm active. People ask me all the time, yo, why you keep doing student videos? You don't think you're too old to do student videos? You're not even in school no more.
I don't give up.
Bruh, I didn't play the granddaddy. I didn't play a 10-year-old. I didn't play a teenager. I didn't play a teacher. Hell, if you go back far enough, you can find some damn videos when I might have had a wig on playing a grandma. Don't let outside commentary affect your life or your thought process. A lot of times when people even come at you with that energy, they're not happy with where they are. They're trolling, and you're probably doing better than they're doing. When I was a kid, like 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, I'm sure we just wanted to grow up faster. We wanted to be able to cross the street. We wanted to be able to stay out later. We wanted to be able to party. Whatever you was into, you thought that was so cool and you would see on TV or see your parents doing, you wanted to do that right now. But what a bit didn't realize is what came along with that. Hella responsibilities, bills, a job, etc., etc. So when you're young, you want to be older, and when you're older, you want to be younger again. Live in the moment. I know we all have an age, but the hell with that. Take care of yourself, love yourself. Age was created. Like, somebody had to be like, yeah, you know, we're gonna put these months together and this will make you 1 year old today. Like, you know, like, who the hell y'all is to tell me how old I am, bitch? Like, have fun. This last one is a bit more serious. You know, and I know a top reason why people get depressed or feel down is because there has been a death in the family, a close friend. It's never a fun time. There's nothing like knowing you would never see someone again, feel someone's touch again, hear someone's voice again, at least not on earth, depending on what you believe in. Even if you know it's coming, when it happens, it's still depressing. I've been through it. I still get sad about some family members that I've lost. And I definitely believe it's okay to feel that way. Even initially, it's okay to mourn. It's okay to be hurt. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to be angry. Everybody deals with death in their own way, and there's no like right way to deal with it. I definitely would advise talking to someone, having people around you, having loved ones around you. If you don't have loved ones around you or anyone you can talk to, just know it gets a little bit better with time. I know it doesn't seem like it's possible, but it does. Like, and you want to remember more about those great moments, those great memories. And that's why I'm thankful that we even have memories in general. Like I could just go back in time in my head and just have certain moments in my life and just smile and know I enjoyed that person's company, or we had fun, or we smiled together, and it was just a dope time. I want y'all to know that substances, freaking drinking, drugs, all of that, you know what I'm saying, that's not gonna help with your pain or what you're going through. It might feel like it, or like I don't feel the pain when I'm on this drug. Ultimately, you're gonna start to spiral and spiral down fast and quickly, end up hurting yourself, hurting somebody around you, or both. I know it's cliche, but try to celebrate that person's life and know that they will want to see you happy and smile. Well, you made it to the end of the video. I hope this helped in some kind of way. Any words of wisdom or guidance or anything, leave them in the comment section. I really want that to be like just a huge freaking forum and a communication zone down there. And before I leave, I want to drop some extra tips on y'all to help y'all get rid of stress. I would definitely suggest exercising, giving back to the community, try volunteering. That always makes me feel good. Maybe focus in and find some new hobbies, something to make you smile, make you happy. Listen to some music. Music like heals me. Don't be in there listening to your little sad ass R&B playlist either. Get some upbeat, something that makes you feel good. And last but not least, I would suggest you be around people and not just by yourself and lonely and depressed in a dark room somewhere with a damn candle about to blow out when it's barely lit by that much candle wax in that thing. Be around some people that can make you smile, make you happy, get your mind off of things, and just help you get out of the rut of depression that you're in. I really hope this helps somebody out there, man. Share this with somebody that might need to see it. Any video suggestions, leave them in the comment section below also. I appreciate y'all viewing this, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Good luck.